I had worked with Main Street a little bit on a previous project in Hera. I really kind of opened my eyes to downtown development, and utilizing that in Muskogee was really my passion. That's what I did all my background and education in. I didn't know it was as big as it was, especially after visiting nationals this year. That really honed into my mind that, wow, this is a bigger movement than I ever thought it was. I've been here for a year, and the amount of people that I've met is more than I would have ever thought. And just knowing that we're here to help everybody, and we don't just throw parties, we really do. We do a lot of hard work. Moving giant 100-pound concrete planters onto the main street, or planting flowers, helping businesses with their designs. We do it all. The 4 points really guide our organization by bringing out different ideas that we would have never thought about, getting different expertise and opinions into the conversation, and really just getting that boots on the ground work to happen. Having the support of at least state level, knowing that you can always ask questions, and having the connections with every director throughout the state and even nationwide. Downtown Muskogee is alive and thriving, and that we're here, we're moving towards the future, and we hope everyone will join us.